Treasurer is warned. The Treasurer is warned for the second time for debating.
It is important that there is an impartial person enforcing rules and procedures to make sure Parliament runs smoothly and the members are kept in order.
The member for Hammond I called to order. The member for Chaffey I warn a first and second time. You just got two. Owing to your sterling efforts during the last 4 minutes. Yeah. And the member for Unley I warn for the second and the final time, and I mean it.
The Speaker is an elected member of the House of Assembly who is chosen by the other members of the House to maintain order and uphold strict parliamentary procedure and protocol. Even though the Speaker belongs to a political party, usually the party with the majority, the Speaker must apply the rules fairly to everybody.
The role of the Speaker is to chair the meetings of Parliament and to keep order. The main way a government is held accountable to Parliament and through it to the people is through question time. So it's the role of the Speaker to make sure that deliberations are orderly, that the government, the opposition and the independents all get to tell their story, to ask questions and have an opportunity to answer questions in an orderly way.
The member for Chaffey is also called to order, warned a second time for dissenting from the Speaker's ruling. One thing I've tried to crack down on in this chamber to make it more orderly and better for the people of South Australia is bogus student politician type points of order such as the member for Stewart just took. He's on the edge.